Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Evony. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evony game. Then tap on the three horizontal dots. Now select Friends option. Select the friend or search for the friend that you want to block. Then tap on the avatar of your friend. Then tap on the human icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see three options. To block the user, tap on the block option. And if you are sure, tap on block once again. And this is how you can block someone on Evony. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.